Reviews. My name is Sayyid Shiraz Shah, and in this video I'll quickly tell you, one thing about cruise control that I'm sure no one would have told you. Okay, so right now I am, you can see that I am cruising along, all right, and I am in the street mode. Now cruise control will work in every mode, okay, in street, in off-road mode, in rain, provided your traction control is on. All right, I'm making this video because of because I know that there would be people who would be like ride in the off-road mode wherein they'll customize. So first of all, in every mode you can actually switch off traction control, okay, and people will certainly do that in the off-road mode. And once they are done with the off-roading, and if you're someone like me, who would want to ride in that mode, okay, ABS off, rear ABS off, traction control off, okay, full bonkers mode on the road as well, and then you come on the highway and you want to switch traction control on and it does not work. Switch traction control on back again and it would start working. Let me quickly show to you as well, okay. So ride mode, I'll configure street itself, all right. Okay, so that's Bajaj PR. All right, and you can, so ideally you should be switching, you should be switching on cruise control from here, okay. I'll put a picture, but it can be done from here as well, okay. So this is how you do it, and it's not coming on, all right. And so this is the plus button, there you have the minus button. I'll put a picture. You use it to increase the speed, you use it to decrease the speed, and okay, let me show that to you as well quickly. On, all right, and see, 3, 2, 1, and it's working. Now if you want to increase or decrease the speed, if you press it just once, it will increase it by 1 km/h every time, okay. However, if you long press it, the increments would be by 5 km/h. And I've kept, you keep it pressed and it will take you to your desired speed. That's how cruise control is supposed to work. And you can, so this is the resume button as well, okay. The last set cruise control speed can be resumed here, and if you want, and so the minus, so plus and resume and minus and set button is there. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video to be helpful. And so cruise control would work in every mode provided traction control is on. If traction control is off, it would not work, all right. So hope you like the video. Do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.